Thanks for joining me today. My name is Amy Casilio, and I'm the Operations Manager for Collegial Services. For those of you that aren't familiar with what we do, we connect college students, recent graduates, with the businesses that hire them, so typically around that 0 to 5 years experience. And today I wanted to share some insight for job seekers and using your LinkedIn profile during that job search process. So let's jump right in. I'm going to come on up over here to my LinkedIn icon, profile icon, and click on Privacy and Settings. And this is going to make some changes to the privacy controls so I can be an effective job searcher on LinkedIn. So first, let's go on over to turn on and off activity broadcast. And this is where people will be able to see if you are making edits or any kind of changes to your profile. So when you're going through and making changes to your profile, whether that's your education or your experience or skills, all of that information gets broadcasted on the home feed. So I highly recommend that you turn this off when you're editing your profile, just so that everybody doesn't get bombarded with all of the changes that you're making. You're welcome to go back in and turn that back on when you're satisfied with your profile and it looks and it's error-free and you're ready to begin the job search process. But while you're editing, I would definitely recommend turning that off. So just simply make sure that there's no check mark, that means it's off, and save those changes. The other feature I wanted to show you today is select what others see when you viewed their profile. So this is also really great for job seekers who are maybe trying to write cover letters to a job opportunity that they're interested in. If you select being totally anonymous on LinkedIn, that will allow you to kind of snoop around a company page or maybe an employer's profile, learn a little bit about their personal background and what they do at a particular organization without them knowing that you did it. So this is a really great feature for doing research on companies and on individual profiles for cover letters and for that interviewing process. It allows you to really utilize LinkedIn, like it says, anonymously, do your research, and really find out as much information as you can. Once you feel like you're satisfied with the results you were able to find in terms of names or company information, feel free to go ahead and change it to either one of these other two options. But while you are researching, I would highly recommend being totally anonymous. So save those changes once you've selected which one you like. And that's it for my first how-to video. I hope you found it useful, and tune in next time.